a chance to work with and meet. They're uber talented, like Joan herself, known worldwide, highly sought after, super hard to book apparently. So I'm honored to have her here, right? The queen of airbrushing, that's what I learned the other day. I want to thank everyone for coming. I hope everyone learns a lot. I want everybody to truly get the most out of this. We have her here, her undivided attention, which I know is really hard to get. So ask your questions,